Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. My name is Aryan and I am going to be sharing with you a full SMC strategy step by step to finish. So, before we get started, there is a few things I would like to mention. Now, I am sure we all know there is a lot of confusion and a scattered information in a trading space. This can be this can make it very hard to stick to the one strategy which will prevent you from seeing any consistency in your results. This strategy that I am about to share with you is a simple, mechanical, and a easy repeatable. Do yourself a favor by watching this video to the end and giving it your full attention. I would like to mention that this strategy is 100% free. There is no string attached. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. If you find this valuable, there is a few key points to this strategy that you should have a firm understanding of in order to for you to fully grasp the information that I am about to share. First of all, we have a market structure and order flow. This is the art of identifying the major highs and lows in a price and being able to differentiate a bullish market from a bearish market. Next, we have a liquidity concept. Liquidity is what fuels all the markets, and we must be able to identify how and also wherever position could potentially be liquidated in order to efficiently prevent that from happening. Now finally we have order blocks and imbalances. These are areas in a price that we must locate in order to validate our trading ideas and frame the trades themselves. If you are new to trading and have no idea what any of this means, head over to my channel where you will find individual videos on this concept topics, and then come back to this video when you are done. All right, now we are getting into this good stuff. These are the few simple steps to executing the strategy. After we read through the step where we're going to take a look at entry models, so you can visually see how this strategy can be implemented. If any of these steps don't make a sense to you, just be patient and explore them each in a depth with a real chart example. Near the end of a video, step number 1 will be on the H4 time frame. Locate the major points of interest. Now you might wondering what are some example points. So here we are starting the overall analysis. So first of all, we will open a chart on H4 time frame. So we will be checking first for the liquidity sweep. So liquidity sweep is uh, is occur when the structural high is taken by the um, any wicks, like as you can see here, the high was broken by this week. It was not a candle body, it was a wick, so it is considered as a liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweeps indicates the reversal of a market, like if liquidity sweep is in a buy side direction, as you can see it is in a buy side direction, so market is likely to move a downside in a bearish movement. So we are interested in sell entries in these conditions. So first of all, step 1 is our clear. that liquidity sweep is in buy side direction, so we will be looking for the sell entries. So now as you can see, check mark of liquidity sweep is done. So, and this is a higher time frame alignment is done, and here now we will be looking for the boss and imbalance. So as you can see, this structure low was taken by this body of the candle. Make one thing clear, everybody, that if a structure high or low is taken by a candle body, it is a boss, and if structural high is taken by uh, candle high or low, um, likely means if it is taken by wicks like high or low, it is considered as a liquidity sweep. It is then not uh, the boss, but in this situation it was taken by the candle body, so it is clearly a boss. So the boss is done here, break up the structure. Now I will be looking for the imbalance. Imbalance is also known as inefficiency or a fair value gap. It is a um, in this we will consider continuous three candles. um, Likely you can see here 1, 2 and 3. If we consider these candles in a first and a third candle, in a first and a third candles, first candles low and a third candles high, there was a huge gap, and this area is known as a fair value gap or a imbalance. Market is more likely to fill this inefficiency. um, so for that, market should come here, and then market will continue its trend, which is in a bearish motion in a downside direction. So the third check is also done, and now we will be looking for the fourth check, which is a 71% retracement. So in this we are going to mark our swing high and a swing low. So in this structure, as we can see here, um, marking the swing high and a swing low, and tracing it by the fib tool, retracement tool, which you can find it here. This is a fib retracement tool, as you can see here, like this. I have applied it here in the same way. So removing that one, and in this you have customized the fib levels. We are interested in 71%, 100% and 0% only. I have put here 75%. In my other strategy, I am more likely to trade on 75%, so I will consider 75% also, but you can remove the 75% and you can only keep the 71%. I have checked many levels of a fib retracement, like 68, 55 and many more, but 75%, 71% is giving a good risk to reward ratio and high chances of a success. But market is not more ideal. It may go in a drawdown also, but with the 71% of favorite retracement, many of the trades are getting success. So chances of success is higher in this fib level. So as you can see, our 71% retracement was here, It is it is closely near to the FVG fair value gaps or imbalance, but we are most likely to enter in a market at here this position. First of all, I will like to clear one more point before executing the trade. This is context. Like if you are you have to enter in a sell trade, you should sell in a premium zone, and if you have to buy, you have to buy in a discount zone. So our order block should be uh, in a premium to sell, and our order block should be in a discount to buy. So in this situation, we are more likely to enter in a sell entry. So we will be looking for a order block. We will be entering at the 71%. As you can see, it is above the equilibrium and in premium zones. So this is a valid order block. So we will put short position here, as you can see, at 70, not 75 but at 71%. With you can target 0% of a fib, but I trade mostly with risk to reward of 1 to 2. Likely first our actual should be exactly at this position, none other than that, and will target a risk to reward ratio of perfectly 2. Perfectly 2, it is done. So now if anybody have any doubt and marking of any of the structural designs, you can comment down below. I will make a separate video on that. And now let's see how the trade is going. So first of all, I will reduce the speed and start the replay. So as you can see, let's see if it get triggered or not. As you can see, trade is triggered, and there was some drawdown. Let's extend this, and trade is closed here. We'll push this. So as you can see, as we can see, there is a drawdown, but overall the uh, trade was successful. So our logic is simple. We have to look for the higher time frame alignment. For the H4, it is a D1, and the liquidity sweep. We have to check for the break of the structure and imbalance, and we will be looking for the 71% of retracement level. And as you can see, this was a A plus setup. A plus setup means if your all condition met, it is a good setup, and chances of this trade is more likely to be successful. So I hope you all enjoy the video, and I would like to inform you one more thing. This all structure is marked by our indicator, which is Titan Edge SMC Pro. As you can see, Titan Edge SMC Pro indicator, which will mark your all bars, chalk, and equal highs and equal lows. All of the SMC marking will be done by our indicator, and this checklist is also a part of our indicator. So if you are interested in that, we have one more gold EA, which has given a good result, and many of our customers have taken withdrawal of around, mostly everyone is taking out 50 to 60% of returns in a month. it, I have said minimum returns. Most of them are making more than that. Some of them are making 125% or 127%, as I have seen. So if you are interested in that EA, so also you can join our Telegram group or our Telegram channel. You can search for the Titan Edge Traders in Telegram, and you can also check the wow section of our channel, so you will get the direct link of our Telegram group, so you can join that, and you can directly message me on that group that you are interested in the EA and the indicator. I will be providing you the EA and indicator. I would like to inform you one more thing. Also, at this time, the EA is free for the users from UK, France, Germany, Netherlands, UAE, and likely in more countries. Um, Mainly, it covers all of the major countries of Europe, but in other countries we are also providing the EA, but it is not free. um, you will need to pay something for that, but this is not huge amount. We also provide profit sharing model in which you don't have to pay anything. You just have to share the part from the profit in end of a week or end of a month. It all depends on our deal, like you're considering a weekly or a monthly plan. So it was all about our EA and indicator. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.